Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free app to track internet speed and Wi-Fi or mobile internet data uses in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search to search for one application named as Traffic Light by LakeLink, and on the first list you will see its developer website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Once again scroll down below again. Now you'll see here the first file is the application, so you need to download this Traffic Light application. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on this open. Click on install. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions. Just allow all the permission. Just click on green. Click on allow. Click on green again. Click on allow. Click on green. Just scroll down below and just turn on this traffic light option. Just move back. Now you can see here total Wi-Fi internet uses, as you can see, and next to it is our mobile internet data uses, and below there are tons more details. And if you click on this next option, you can check out by calendar wise how much Wi-Fi or mobile internet data uses is being used on the respective date. And if you swipe down the notification panel, you can see the internet speed as well as the Wi-Fi internet uses as well as the mobile internet data uses. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free apps to track internet speed and Wi-Fi or mobile internet data uses in Android smartphones that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.